at least 50 members of parliament to be in the chambers this morning for the House to commence with the consideration of business before it. In today's order paper, the House will be considering the Prevention of Livestock and Produce Theft Bill 2023. And the Productive and the Prevention of Livestock and Produce Theft is an act of Parliament seeking to provide for a legal framework for the identification of livestock, the movement of livestock, and the prevention of livestock theft, and the regulation of trade of livestock, the return of illegally acquired livestock and firearms, and for the connected purposes. In a nutshell, this is a bill that is seeking to regulate the livestock industry.
Order number 1, administration of oath. Order number 2, communication from the chair.
Order, members. Take your seats, Osoro. Raphael, take your seat, Baba. Honorable members, welcome to this morning's sitting. I've just come from ascending to 8 bills passed by this House. Congratulations to all of you who participated. It is the highest number of bills ever ascended together, including private members' bills by Owen Bayer, Roita Obo, Waithaka, and others. That's very good. I'll invoke my authority understanding order number 1 and direct as follows: that the sitting of the House this morning is adjourned. We will have a sitting at 2:30 this afternoon, where the Speaker will give you some important communication. For now, the House stands adjourned and you will all be upstanding. Businesses lined up this morning, you bear with the leadership and yours truly. There'll be an opportunity to prosecute those businesses later.